Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make and use the survey prop launcher in Dune Awakening. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually it is quite easy, but firstly what you need to do is to craft some copper ingot right here. So you need to craft some of this one right here. So now when you have done so, then you're just going to run into your fabricator and then click on E as you can see, and then you're going to click on the exploration symbol right here. So you need to craft some survey prop here, as you can see, and also a survey prop launcher. And when you have done so, you can just click on E here to equip them. It's going to take you obviously a couple of seconds to be able to do this. And as you can see for this survey prop launcher, you need one of this EMF generator and copper ingot. So copper ingot, I just showed you before exactly how to get it. The EMF generator, you get those in cave. Quite early in the game, you will actually have basically like a mission, I think, to find moisture caves, I think they are called, and you will be able to find a lot of, often quite a lot, EMF generators in there. And for the server probe, you just need copper ingot once again. So now when you have done this, you have crafted it, and you can now equip it. So if you click on I, for example, and you can just, before it was here for me, so I'm just going to see if I can drag it back just to show you. So you can just drag it here as an example, just to equip it basically. So if I click on 7 now, I should be able to equip it because I can see it down in my hotkeys. So when you run out now of your base, you have to now get to a really high cliff, by the way. So I'm just going to look for one. I think this one should be good enough, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just going to try to get up there. So if I'm not mistaken, this should be high enough. So if I click on my map here, you can see that this is my, this is what I've researched so far, and it's not much. And when I launch this one, it should actually be much more. So I'm just going to launch it now. Up in the air, as you can see, it's going to take me a couple of seconds to, it's going to complete in, as you can see, about, yeah, basically 15 seconds now. And I think I'm going to get a heat stroke here. So I'm just going to just try to run away from it a little bit. So as you can see, it's researching now, pretty cool. We're going to see in a couple of seconds what's going to happen. Perfect. So if I actually go back into my map here now, and as you can see, my area just gets a lot bigger now, which is perfect. But basically, this is exactly how to do this.